Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to take an apologies from you. And today's our Google Sheet is not working even completely the day where it is not working, and we can't able to see whatever the trades and intraday that was not working. So and monthly positional weekly it not giving us such a big difference, but intraday totally it is an issue. The data is not connected it from we are morning we are trying that data, so that was not connected based on our thing. So that is what an issue. So after making that intraday 9:30 that was having some problems. So maybe soon it will be rectified. Maybe tomorrow we are planning to work out in a live market. So because the data where we find the issue. So previously it was working good. So after changing that 9:30 filter, so that means a fresh breakout on intraday. So there is a issue which we are facing on our data and thing. So maybe tomorrow we are going to live workout. So you just check if it has worked, so you can use it. And this is what an kind apologies, and whatever the days which in our subscription I can add you. So no problem for that. But don't worry about that. It will be came back. So maybe some few technical reasons it was happening, the issues. So maybe soon, maybe tomorrow itself, there is a chances for a recover, and I will update you everyone who are using our Google Sheet. So, so that is what an update. And someone was asking, already we made a scanners for that particular. This is also that one, like what we say, the ADR and some other things are working well in our intraday. So that premium group, the paid premium group which we have. So someone who are asking what is the things which is available in the premium group. So for example, so we have already updated with the short description about the scanner. So here you can see there is a Camarilla R4 breakout that was in one which we are taken out. Camarilla R4 breakout, and a lot of scanners which you have updated. This is what our premium group. So mainly the scanners which you have updated in this group is to find out the breakout trades, and many, I think a lot of scanners like intraday, positional, swing trading. So many things which is available, and that scanners which is not available, that was CPR and Camarilla, and higher value CPR, lower value CPR, such a kind of things which is available on the scanner. So based on this higher value CPR, so here these are all the stocks today which forming a higher value CPRs and lower value CPRs. You can access that premium group. So here, so ready-made templates, and we already updated the scanners. So which is available here. It's about an inside Camarilla stocks. So those are the stocks which is forming a inside Camarilla. So for example, Bell, PEL, BPCL. It's based on the Camarilla levels. I will show you. So a lot of customized indicators. So this is not defaultly available. So we created some customized indicator for our logic and trading. So that was available on our premium group. So here simply you can click the link and you can access it, and it is a lifetime access, and you can see there is an opportunity in PEL 19.3. Okay, and BPCL, sorry, here is the BPCL. Let me go for a BPCL inside. So here you can see 19th, it is a perfectly inside one. So it is completely inside between the R3 and S3. Okay, you can see the R3 and there is a S3, and next day level would be completely inside between the previous day R3 and S3. So such a kind of thing which we can expect a breakout either the side. That was an like a narrow. It's not like a narrow. It is inside between the previous R3 and S3 levels. Such a kind of stocks, if it is broke R4 or S4, there is a good movement which we can expect. That is the concept which you have created with inside Camarilla, or narrow or inside Camarilla, like ICICI, Petronet. So a lot of stocks which is happening. Petronet, let me check whether it is exactly right. Yeah, you can see, look at this. It was exactly inside between the previous day R3 and S3. So not comparing to R4 and S4, we are comparing to R3 and S3 in the Camarilla levels. That is what conditions which you have created. And maybe previously a lot of stocks, and recent today any stocks we don't find any. And this is what a 19, and before that Concar, MPSs which is happening on 18. So let me check Kankar. This is a sample scanner, one of the scanners. So here is the Kankar level, and this R4 is not broken. The S4 is given in the breakout, and it was giving you such a good move in a downside. MPSs and same like that. Upper side breakout also we can focus. Here the stock given you the breakout on R4 levels. In this case here it is a failure, and then it is given in the breakout breakdown. There is such a good move which is happening on this particular stock. Okay, so this is what on a scanner, and a lot of scanners like ASM oscillator is the one of the indicator that is also available. So if you want to search it, you can go for ASM oscillator. Thing ASM oscillator, which is a dashboard. Okay, so one of the dashboard which I have already mentioned, that is also available. Here there is a one more camera scanner, so L3 H3. So let me check today. Sorry, it is about tomorrow. So let me check previous one, and same BPCL, something like that same. Okay, so that is on a Camarilla and range breakout scanner. That would be a range breakout, bearish or bullish, whatever the thing which you are looking for. So I think huge number of stock which is happening on 13th. So Lara's Lab on 13th. This is breakout scanner on daily time frame. 13th, 11, 12, 13th. This is what a 13th. After that low, so we are looking for a downside. Okay, so range breakout scanner. So you are asking how to use that scanner group. So this is what on a detailed scanners group you can look at this breakout scanners. So you will be finding out some 5 or 6 breakout scanner, and you can see there is a Bollinger band based, and here you can see shooting star above Bollinger band. So the stock which forming a shooting star and daily time frame. So let me look at this very few number of stocks which we are finding out. TVS Motor on 2nd of this month. TVS Motor, sorry. So I need a Bollinger band for this. Instead of the pivot, I will go with an indicator Bollinger band. So I'll be going with the Bollinger band and daily time frame. The stock is TVS Motor. That is happening on 2nd. Shooting star candle, that should be happen 2nd. Shooting star candle. So here I'm just expecting the downside, and maybe that should be my stop loss of that particular higher candle. And there is a reversal I'm expecting. Unfortunately, in this case, it will triggers our stop loss, and we find a one more reversal pattern. If you are looking at the how the reversal pattern works, this is what an hanging man. So that giving you such a good result if you are following the candlesticks pattern. This trade failure, but this trade from 2240, it came down to 2033. Just a moment. These are all the things which is available on our premium group. So everyone was asking, so I'm just explaining what are the things which is available, like a candlesticks pattern. So previously we created a lot of candlesticks patterns. So that is also available. So here you can see this is what is candlesticks pattern, like evening star, morning star, with the conditions it forming at lower level, higher level, something like that, which we have created. In this group, these are all the scanners currently available, double candlesticks pattern, and doji, that is what a major thing which is happening, doji at bottom, doji at top. So these are all my premium scanners. So recently we find out on IPCA lab on 4.3, IPCA lab on 4.3 doji 3. Here is the doji that we are looking for a monthly high. Okay, so here it is forming, and the low is the stop and high is our stops, the low is our entry point. So a lot of scanners which is available based on our premium group. So that I am saying that is what our premium group, which you find out a lot of scanners and screeners. So you will be finding out the right one for you based on your trading style, even 3 candle reversal pattern, and you can see the spinning top at with the open low. So maybe here spinning top but with the open low, it is about a 15 minutes time frame. So maybe at randomly I will check in the morning, 9:15 spinning top candle today. So Wipro, let me check Wipro. It's a 15 minutes time frame scanner. Wipro 15 minutes, 9:15. Yeah, it's about a spinning top candle, and it has broken the low, and it was giving you such a good move. So I am just going to for a 1 to 1.1 is to 1 kind of risk, maybe around 1%. So it was giving you more than 1%. At this low came, so it was almost 1.3%. So 1:1 risk reward generated on this particular scanner. And some other things, customized scanners like Bollinger Band scanners, anything available on Bollinger Band, and breakout scanners that we have seen earlier. And something like that I was seeing the awesome also. This is what a Camarilla pivot, and CPR also available here in this premium group, and central pivot point. This is what a CPR scanner, higher value, lower value, so narrow, very tight range, so a lot of thing. And this is what a gap up and gap down, and this is what a EMA value dashboards, and this one maybe one more dashboard, and ADX RSI dashboards, candlesticks pattern dashboard, RSI divergence, and anything like custom screener, swing trading. Here is the one more thing, swing trading, and a breakout intraday breakout scanners will be there here. So these are all the things which is available in my premium group. Here very tight narrow CPR. So this would be a customized indicator which you have created, very few number of stocks. Okay. So and hammer at a Bollinger Band. So this may be one more thing, hammer at Bollinger Band. So here on the time frame, 15 minutes, it's a fixed one, Bollinger Band TCS today. So let me go for a TCS. Here is the one, hammer. So if you are looking at a big one, and today hammer at, sorry, it is about 19. So where it is exact time, 19, 11, 10. So maybe the 5-minute scanner. Yeah, it should be a 5-minute scanner. What is the exact time? 19:03, 11:10. 19. So 19:03, 11:10. So here is the, sorry, this is the 2:15. 19:03, 11:10. Stop. TCS 19:03, 11:10, which you are using a 5-minute time frame. What's happening here? Like here is the tight one. 11:10. 5 minutes later. Maybe very small candle. 11:10 here. Here is this one. 11 o'clock candle. Okay, so like that kind of scanners also available. Bollinger Band, Shooting Star, and another one more swing trading weekly RSV swing scanner, and monthly Camarilla, and something like that HA candle, and finally our ADR scanner. So ADR, which is works better on our intraday breakout, and recently we are taken on moving average supports, and ADR breakout scanner less than 1%. So these are all the scanners which is available on our premium group. So if you wish to take on a premium group to access our premium scanners, it's a one-time charges which are available. So to know more about the details and charges, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number which on this video. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and maybe tomorrow our Google Sheet would be cleared. So until you just give me a time to tomorrow to clear this issue, and you will be getting a regular update from that. So this may be an issue after changing some something like other 9:30. So maybe we will be rectifying that also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you so much.